All right, I'm going to demonstrate a skin the cat movement on the rings here, and I'm going to show two versions, okay? One's going to be with my knees almost completely bent, so it's going to be more of a tucked version coming through. And there's the other extreme where you do this with both legs completely straight. I'm not going to be able to do that because my rings aren't set up high enough. I'd need another 1.5 foot clearance to pull that off. But I'm going to start this with my legs straight and just forward. So I'm basically sitting with straight legs. I'm going to lift up from there. Now, when you bring this all the way through, the arms stay straight the whole time. It's not a pull-up. All the engagement in the arms is from the shoulders and in the hands, which are maintaining the grip, and you're moving in between the shoulders. And once you come all the way through, that brings you to a German hang. You have the option, once you've come all the way through, to just set your feet down and then do another one, or you can reverse it and come all the way back. So just to show, I'm going to show the basics of it here. So I'm just going to come into this hang, and I'm going to take the bent knee position. So arms straight, and then I'm going to pull my knees in toward my chest, and then from here, pull in and start to round this over. And you can stop at any point and just come down. If you can bring this all the way through, maybe come to this point, feel the stretch. This is the German hang. And if that's enough, set your feet down, let go, and then you can do another repetition. Now, if you can reverse it, and that takes a good bit of strength as well, it's a good thing to strive forward, or to practice toward, keep in mind. I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to reverse it and come back to where I started. So I'm starting with that just basic hang, and then I'll pull my knees up. Now I'm going to round this in and come all the way over, and then reverse it and pull everything back the other way. And it's a good movement to work through here, and it's definitely good to get that range of strength through the shoulder joint. It's going to take a lot of work to go all the way over and all the way back, so be ready for it to be some work, and just take your time, but it's definitely a good goal to pursue. Now, I'll just show another version here with straightened legs. This is definitely harder to do. So straight arms, I'm going to sink down, and then I'm going to keep my legs together, my toes pointed. Now, it takes a good amount of lift from the belly, so I'll pull this in. And then take the full fold, and then same thing, I'll reverse it and come all the way through. And that is not easy to do, I will say. Usually when I do this, basically I'll just do one, chill out, take a little breather, do another, chill out again, and break up the repetitions rather than trying to do it rapid fire, because I do want to go to the extremes of the ranges in both directions. And I want to be sure my hands are up for that, so I can maintain my grip, keep the motion slow, and really feel how it's working on my shoulders. But yeah, hope this helps.